demo on automotive reference. This is automotive reference. Generally in automotive reference, this is basically for car audio applications where we have to do multi-channel processing and all. Here we are taking 2 channels, stereo channels, and making it to 11 channels. This is the reference design. For doing such kind of reference design, basically we need to have a multiple amounts of audio modules inbuilt. So generally in audio processing applications, we will have multiple modules like delays, filters, graphic equalizers and all. So our company has come up with a tool called AMI Designer with such kind of large amount of tools. Here I'm showing more than 350 modules. We categorize into different packs, saying common, standard float, standard flag, math float, standard plus and all. So like that we have basically categorized these different modules based upon their utility. So in this application, as I told, automotive reference, here what I am doing is, here basically I am getting 2 mono channels here. Those 2 mono channels, 11 channels processing. Here if you can see, the first 2 channels are Twitter channels. Basically for making these two Twitter channels, I am using one of the pre-built modules over here. So these modules, I made use of these modules. I didn't write the code and all. Basically my tool will give this complete code for this. So you can do Twitter channel processing over here. Similarly, I am doing front and back doors processing over here, and central front channel processing over here, real channel processing over here, and subwoofer processing over here. So generally, for doing such kind of processing, as we are discussing, we have much more modules. Using this tool, you can simply make use of this kind of design. So once you drag and drop such kind of modules and you connect as per your need, and simply click this button to generate the code. So the same thing you can build on this Panda target. We already built this code and we dump the code onto this. Now I am already running this demo. So now basically what I am getting is, I am getting from 2 channels to 8 channels over here. So for this demo, since this particular board is having only stereo input and stereo output, we are using external sound cards. We are using a diamond sound cards, one for input and another for output. This input I am taking from my native PC. This is my PC. I am getting the input from the PC. I am giving it to my diamond card. I am the same. Whatever the processing is shown here, everything is processing is done on this board, and I am getting the output onto the other diamond card. So you can ask, even though it is 11 channel difference design, here I have only 8 monos, which is nothing but basically 4 stereos. Those 4 stereos you can directly listen here. This is first front channel, this is subwoofer effect, this is rear channels, and this is the door channels. So like this, if you have the 11 channels also, you can at a time you can listen to 11 channels.
This tool basically can work on the Cortex-A9 processor and along with the other DS1 Cortex-A9. So basically this demo it represents the next generation automotive infotainment system. So if you look at the current high-end cars, we have the infotainment system, we have the navigation inside, and we have the controls for the AC, and then the audio processing running in the background. So generally we use the separate processor for all the navigation and all these touch panels, and then we use the DSP on the background for all the audio processing. But because of the Cortex-A9, which really put the neon instruction set, the powerful neon instruction set, so we would like to achieve the both thing in a single chip on the single SoC. If you look at on this demo, it is taking around only 27% of the CPU, but it's unoptimized code. If you optimize that, it will probably come around 10 to 15 CPU percentage. So still we are having the 85% left over for the all other tasks. So in this 85%, you can use that for the navigation, you can use that for any other controlling purpose. So we can bring all this audio processing as well as the controlling part on the single chip on the Cortex-A9. Since our tool actually generates the very optimized code. Okay, that's actually possible. So we are looking forward to see the things in the coming cars. A single chip with all the audio processing as well as all the navigation and all the controls in a single chip. That's what.